Excellent. Why did he get such an amount of energy?
Counting double-digit thousands.
Hello everybody, thank you so very much for joining me and watching this video right now. This is Arich, back to the station, back to you people, and back pretty early. Yeah, so from now on I'll be trying my level best to be back pretty early so that you guys could get delighted. Yeah, I would like to make you delighted. Come on. Alright guys, so much of desired responses is there, and I'm so feeling so glad to get to see such kind of desired happenings around my contents and my channel. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you so very much for being in such a way this much active, responsive and whatnot. Thank you so very much. Hope you continue such a journey. Yeah, this is pretty difficult, but hope this gets continued for the rest of my life. Come on. Alright guys, Dimash and Dimash. So yeah, I mean, it has to be, just because this is such a personality that has got, I guess, no alternative. Yeah, but if it is so, I would say it would be very much difficult for someone to be compatible to the way Dimash is. You get my point? So yeah, so many of you came up with this recommendation that RH please go for something out of Dimash, titled as The Most Beautiful Sound of Dimash D8 Gakku 2017. So let's get to check this out and talk about the enter happening right at the end of this video. So don't move anywhere else until RH gets to reach out to the end of this video. Yeah, just because right after that we would start talking about the enter happening. Yeah, and thanks to each of you whoever came up with such a recommendation. Thank you so much guys. Yeah, stay with me. Thank you. Let's get started. It's gonna be a short video, but let's see. This might be the essence of such a performance. Oh my goodness, was that his? Oh my goodness, excellent. Guys, the inception I could not focus at all. Oh my goodness, such a short video. I would like to get to check this out once again. Let's get started. amazing audiences are there all around. Come on, guys. I mean, this was, I guess, yeah. This is supposed to be recognized as the essence of that performance. This was a live performance, I guess. So yeah, excellent, excellent. I mean, why did he get such an amount of energy around his voice? Come on, is this only practice? Only practice? Is this possible to get to reach out such an amount of energy through practice? Practice could help you get to reach out somewhere incredibly. But I think entirely God gifted. Yeah, I wish I could get to get to share a hug with this guy actually. Yeah, I would have been the most happiest one. Maybe. Come on, excellent. Come on, I mean, each and everything is coming up with. Yeah, I mean, one of you came up with such a comment that RH, you must admit that each and every time you get to deal with something out of Dimash, you get to learn something new. You get to be surprised. Yeah, that's true. I admitted this. I did admit. Whenever I'm getting to check out of Dimash, I'm getting surprised entirely. Entirely surprised. Come on, I mean, excellent. Yeah. And he looks to be somebody pretty distinctive as well. Did you pinpoint such a characteristic, guys? I did so, and that's why today I'm sharing this. He looks to be pretty different from the way others are around. Yeah, I don't know why such a characteristic, has got pinpointed in such a way by me. I don't know, but this is just my perception that yeah, I mean, it seems to be pretty different, pretty tall. My goodness, I mean, it resembles perfect. Come on, thank you guys, thank you so very much for coming up with such a desired moment actually. Yeah. Such a desired content, video, performance, and whatnot. Yeah. Thank you so very much. Hope you continue getting me. You keep it continued actually. Just that's what I would expect you to do. All right. Don't stop getting me such kind of desired contents. All right. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video too. If so, don't forget to let me know how you feel about this. Yeah. I enjoyed a lot, guys. I enjoyed a lot, and yeah, I'd like to get to know about your feelings. Yeah, you felt something, right after getting done checking this out. Yeah, how excited? Can you imagine how excited I was? I checked it for twice on the spot right here. Come on, I mean, yeah. So do come up with your words, and yeah, do subscribe this channel just because. This is the way basically RH shares whatever you get to see right here. Do you get my point? So this is the way I share. So yeah, and this is what basically you came up with as a recommendation to me. Alright, so do continue getting me recommendations, and do subscribe this channel so that you could get to check out each and everything I get to share near future. Do you get my point? So do that. And finally, this is item to get over this session. Let's get this over, yeah, in such a way, something like this. This is RH signing off for now. Hope to see you on my next video. But till then, stay stay happy, stay well, and stay pretty fantastic. And also until the next video comes and knocks your door to be reviewed, rechecked, and whatnot. So till that comes, I'd like to say take care and hats off. Thank you.